How to make marker monoprints from a cardboard Collagraph plate. Step 1. Cover your Collagraph plate with foil. Step 2. Color your Collagraph plate with water-soluble markers. Step 3. Wet your paper with a damp sponge or spray bottle. Step 4. Place your paper on top of your Collagraph plate and rub thoroughly until the image begins to show through. Step 5. Carefully pull the paper to reveal your print. Step 6. Admire your work. You can repeat printing with new colors by recoloring your Collagraph plate and trying again on a new piece of paper.